Hello everyone, this is Daria from K Academy. Welcome to my channel, welcome to my video. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna look at these cute mood potatoes. Who doesn't like potatoes? I'm a big fan of potatoes. I can eat potatoes 24/7, and also I can keep them as a personal mode tracking companion. So let's get started and see how this app actually works. So, I'm Mood Potato, your new personal mood tracking companion. Know how you feel daily? Okay. Track your daily happiness levels. Let's improve your mood together. Hi, Mood Buddy. I want to sign up with Facebook. Continue as there, yeah? Okay, so my mood and color. Click me. Hey there, you record your mood. How are you feeling today? I'm actually feeling neutral. So, I am tired. I don't want to cook. Continue. Continue step 2. Associate your mood with colors. So I acknowledge that you feel neutral right now. So, okay, back. So associate with your mood neutral. I want this option 1. Yeah. No, this, yes. You see, it's neutral. Wait, I want to change my colors, so you can go and change the other one, or you can add your custom colors from here, but you have to pay a bit of money for that. Let's just say continue. Okay, so this is what this app is doing, They are checking our moods. You can check your this month's, but it will in August. So we also have our journal. And as most of the experts say, actually having a journal is helping you with your mental health and also with your immune system, because I think the relationship should be something like that. Since your mental health is okay, your immune system has more time to spend on its own, the energy, something like that. Maybe, I'm not sure, just saying. So here, I'm tired, I don't want to cook, that's what I said. How am I feeling right now? Still same. So gratitude. So 5 things I'm grateful for today. My family, my boyfriend, then my job, my house. I don't even have 5 things right now. I'm just gonna go say. Researchers has found that people who have gratitude for what happens in their day are 25%. But I guess I have to put food. Okay, so let's see. Why? I don't know why it didn't. Okay, by the way, this part suggests a self-care of the day. Eat your favorite food. You deserve a delicious treat today. This is your time, just for you, just for me. I deserve it. I deserve it. But just yesterday, I had a lot of sushi, so I'm not gonna do this. So self-care and self-will plan also will be coming soon, and so this app is saying that we should be stay tuned. Also, we can read Potato's story of transformation and finding this mission in life. Oh, once upon a time there lived a very cheerful baby named Potato. Okay, life was great. Then one day a group of centipedes arrived. They were mean to him. So you can actually watch it. And he was excited about the next season of his life. Then he farmer picked it, took it, then whoosh, suddenly. Then something magical was happening. In an instant, he became a superhero of encouragement for and cheerfulness for other potatoes. That's amazing. I don't even read, but you guys can read that, I think. Then it goes back. So, okay, let's go to our profile and let's see what we have here, okay? We have a journey. I'm proud of you taking your first step. We have our stats. Your average mode is not, it has to be 30 days, I guess, to say. I acknowledge it's been a topic. We all need encouragement. So our average mode is not, or last 30 days, last 60, last 90, we can check. From here, we can custom colors, email subscriber. I'm going to turn this off. We can look at our account settings, everything, or log out. And from journey, as you can see, we just take our first step today. So this is it, guys. I hope you like it. Maybe you might need this app. Do not forget to download and track your mood because it's going to help you. Yes, it does. Because once you realize, oh, it's been a week and every day I was feeling neutral or I was feeling moody, like what happened in this last week, you can start asking questions to yourself, you know. I think it is useful. So if you guys like this video, found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button too. What? You have? Okay, I know you did. But maybe, you know, I'm just human, you're just human, so maybe you have forgot that you should have, or something like that happened. So I'm just reminding you, you know. Just reminding. That's what I do, you know. So the only reason I'm reminding also is so we can see each other in my next video. We can keep up with this informations. So, by the way, please let me know in the comments what is your favorite potato dish. Let's eat this potato. See you guys in my next video.